Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to attend a car show hosted by Michigan Mopar Muscle. This one's in Auburn Hills. We got a bunch of guys rolling in. Car show starts at 8, so we're a little bit early, but really already a lot of cool stuff rolling in here. This is a nice looking Roadrunner 71. Beautiful looking car. Sounds good too. This Charger over here rolled in. We'll have to get more of the show, get some more of these cars rolling in for sure. Awesome. Make my way over here to register. Bunch of Hellcats and Scats rolling in here. Clean looking car. A couple of these guys running E85, I can smell it. All right, check out this Fury 3 here. You don't see a lot of these. 66. One of 4,325. Very cool. Clean. Look at this Charger with a wing on it. That's unusual. Let's check out the engine bay on this guy. Wide body, let's see, what does it say here? Wide block, excuse me, poly engine 318. Well, it is pretty wide. Nice car. I'm not sure I've seen this one around. 64 Dodge 440. Well, it's a 4-door. Still real nice. Then we got a Polara 500 here. 62. Wow. Very cool. Look at this thing. Light up Charger emblem on the front there with a wing. Definitely different. Wow. Check that one out. Let's get back to this Roadrunner here, 71. Four-speed. Dig it. Looks like we got Mark Rosman rolling in here with his Charger. There's a little Ram truck. Ram 50. Got some Toyota wheels on it. Hey. Can't remember what this is called. Rampage? different. Seen this car a few times. Like that 340 Duster there. Man, this thing is killer. Good. Oh yeah, sounds good. Beautiful car. Always like 65. Turn your headlights off. Just rolled in here. 68 Dart. Beautiful car. Don't see too many arrows, that's for sure. Cool car. Like this Plymouth too. So did you drive it from Ontario or is it from Ontario?
No, I go from Ontario. It's
okay.
Only about less than an hour away.
Okay.
I'm just on the side of Windsor. Thank you.
Okay.
No problem.
Yeah, it's awesome, man. Yeah. You gotta drive it, right?
Well, gotta drive it. That's
there you go. Yeah. That's the whole game right there. Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Love it. So what year?
1940.
1940, okay. Wow. Very nice. That's how you do it. Let's check out this interior here. That's pretty cool. Big old package tray in these cars, eh?
It's all trunk right to here.
Oh my gosh.
There's a trap door behind.
Oh, is there really?
Yeah. They used to call this a business coupe, so it had a bench seat in it.
Okay.
Right? So the guy would slide over, and whether it was a salesman or a doctor.
Wow. It's probably locked or whatever, but.
Yeah. And
how cool is that?
There's only one door lock. There's no door lock on the driver's side. So you had to slide over to lock the car anyways.
Okay. Interesting. I did not know that. Huh. Look at that. Business coupe. Yeah, it's interesting. And back then too, they used this. I don't even know what this is called in here.
That welting.
Yeah, between. Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh.
The body parts because they all bolted together to the body. Yeah.
So is that kind of when they rub together? That's to prevent some sort of wear or something?
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. It's like an insulation between.
It's wild. Great car.
Thank you.
Got an A12 car rolling in right now. We got a Superbird rolling in. Looks like it's gonna be a hell of a show today. What do we got? It's 65, I believe, Plymouth Fury. Very cool. Bird is the word. Man, this guy's got one of the radical cars right here, boy. This is different for sure, man. Wow. Look at this. Got the Gorilla on there, man. Okay. Dang. How big are those wheels, man?
24.
24. Okay. Right on.
Thank you.
You got it. Got another Road Runner pulling in right there. Nice looking car. Let's go take a spin over here by this A12. Wow. Love this. Damn. This guy's radical too, man. Yeah. This guy rolling in. 68 Dart. Sounds pretty built. Ah, Indy. Roll bar. We got rack and pinion steering in there. Okay. Very, very nice. Wow. All right. Very, very cool. Nice looking cars today. Let's check out this fire dome here. All right. Wow. Beauty. Beauty, beauty. What do we got here? 53 DeSoto Fire Dome, 2-door coupe. And it has a Hemi. Love all the chrome. Clean, clean, clean. Nice looking car for sure. Very nice, very nice. All right, let's make our way down over here. Saw this turquoise Road Runner. Awesome. Look at that. Wow. All right, looks like we got Tom rolling in over here with his Coronet convertible. Mark Donahue AMX. Very cool. Music's gonna jack me up today. Yeah. Very, very cool. Wow. Let's check out this. 64 again. Wow. That's nice. Very cool. Let's check out these guys over here. So it looks like we got a Willie's rolling in here. Beautiful car. Nice. Very cool. that's Daytona, man. Purrs like a kitten. That'll work. All right, let's check out the Superbird over here. Let's see, we got the info board here. 440, 4-barrel, 4-speed, parked in 73. Restoration started in 2016. Wow. Original owner. Oh my gosh. How cool is that?
Yeah.
Harold Ellert. Very cool. Wow. Looks like we got a couple more. Nice looking Demon. 72 Cuda. Alright, so we got a couple E-bodies coming in here. Oh yeah. Sounds good too.
You always gotta have a bump.
Oh, 74 it says.
Yeah, well, I did
Oh, these guys are tough right here. Nice. That sounds so good.
Lindsay's a really nice.
So it looks like we got my friend Kerry over here with his 67 GTX, and we got Scott pulling in behind him. This is a great car. Hemi GTX. Very, very cool. This guy does probably almost all his own work, so I can respect that for sure. Look at that, he's got Nixon Agnew bumper sticker on there. And then we got so a couple Twisted Axle members here. We got Scott pulling in, 65 Belvedere. I believe it's a 65. Nice sounding car. Very, very nice. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. All right, so we got Bill coming in here. The 66 Charger, nice looking car. Yep, clean, man. Yep. Good, how you doing? All right. Couple more feet. That's good right there. Yep. This is going to turn out to be a really awesome show. We got this 67 Coronet here, or I mean, excuse me, 65 Coronet Hemi car rolling in. Really awesome. Oh man, listen to this thing. Car, but sounds really good. This is Dodge 330. This is Milner's car here, or at least he goes by Milner. Really awesome. Wow. All right, got ourselves a nice looking Cuda over here. All right, very nice. Nice looking Roadrunner. Oh man, it's like a 70 Cuda. Eric with his GTX. That thing is radical, man. That thing is wild. Nice looking car. Look at this. Another Ontario car. Looks like we got A4 silver here. Wow, very nice. I wonder if it's a real striped elite car or not. Very cool though. That's a special order color. And then we got a Daytona rolling in over here. Seen this guy before on Woodward. Very cool. You can put it there if you want. Super B, the green one. I've seen you on Woodward a few times. Amazing day for a car show. Loving the weather for sure. Lots of cool stuff to see out here. Man, this is probably one of my favorites right here for sure. Price is $300. Oh, excuse me, sir. Very, very cool. That A4 silver Charger is really nice. Super clean. So yeah. And let's see, you could have gotten this car, looks pretty loaded to me, $5,345.54. Amazing. Red interior. Very well done. Nice car. Sharp. Can never have too much. Oh, go ahead. Thanks.
they got theirs done. That's the stuff.
You were here earlier, I would have voted for you.
I've been here for about 2 hours.
Okay. Well, we've been in there. We've been in the rest house for 2 hours.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. For a while.
Okay, we've got some new prize giveaway winners. Here they are. This is your registration number. Here's the next set of winners. Entry number 43, entry number 107, entry number 66, entry number 125, entry number 77, entry number 104, entry number 116, and entry number 88. Again, 43, 107, 66, 125, 77, 104, 116, and 88. You are all prize winners. Come up to the blue tent and claim your prize.
Is that what he does?
We have a scramble at Cherry. Yeah.
Wow. Oh, you? Well, you got it on photo on here. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, you got the shade just in your.
Man. Awesome. I better get a video. Look. Oh man. All right, let's hear this thing start up. Goldfish, 65 winner, 1965. Golden Commandos. Fantastic. Very, very cool. Cool to see. So that's like a 1/2 inch diamond plate in the back there. Amazing. I mean, whatever it took to win, right? Super cool car. All All right, so we had a great time today. Now it's time to hit it. We got some other responsibilities to take care of, but hey, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the show as much as I did, and we'll talk to you guys later.